Have you ever dreamed of flying? Not in a plane, but with your own wings. What if humans had wings? Let's spread our imaginative wings and explore the possibility. For humans to fly, our anatomy would undergo dramatic changes. Birds have powerful chest muscles for flapping and lightweight bones to stay aloft. If we had wings, they'd need to be proportional to our body size, meaning a wingspan of at least 20 feet or more to lift us from the ground. Imagine having large feather wings extending from your back, strong enough to combat the gravity's pull. Our bones would have to be hollow, reducing our weight enough to make flight feasible. Our respiratory and cardiovascular system would also evolve to support the high energy and demand of flight, possibly enhancing our stamina and lungs capacity. Furthermore, having wings would require us to have a different center of gravity, altering how we walk and even how we sit. If humans had evolved wings, it's likely our entire history will be different. Early humans might have used flight to escape the predators or reach new territories, which could have influenced migration patterns and dispersion of human population across the globe. Our diet, behavior, and social structures might have evolved differently, perhaps focusing more on area resources. Think about how our daily lives and cities would look like. We might have homes with landing platforms instead of front doors, or sky parks where people meet to socialize. Traffic would be in 3 dimensions, leading to air traffic rules and flight paths. Sports and entertainment would also take to the air, with games and performance held in vast open skies. While humans with wings remains in a realm of fantasy, imagining such a world opens up endless possibilities about what it means to be a human and how we interact with our environment. It reminds us that the sky is not the limit but just another beginning. Thank you for watching the video till here. Till then, bye bye, namaskaram.